Alright, so we're trying white bean chicken chili for our first time. It's really Mexican-y, which I really love, so I figured we would probably love it. So these are the ingredients that I use, and I just wanted to show you what all we do, how quick and easy it is, and how good it tastes in the end. Alright, y'all, and I've had crock pots before, but this one's the bomb. I freaking love it. So I'm gonna go and put it on high, and then I'm gonna put a timer on so I can come check it in a few hours. We're gonna go ahead and just let this sit for another 3.5 hours or so, and just check it and see how it's looking. Alright, so I used frozen chicken because I'm lazy. I didn't have anything thawed out, so it took a little longer than expected, but when your girl does not feel good, crock pot meals are always like the best solution because they last a long time. It doesn't take very much effort to cook and all, and it usually is pretty healthy and quite delicious. All right, how is it?
Pretty good.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. All right, so we'll do it again. We have never had this one before, so it's like a white bean chicken chili, and it's pretty good now. I'm trying to get it in before the hotness comes in. So, yeah. Super easy, and I didn't have to do anything but literally throw it in, mix it up, and add syrup cream now. Also, whenever my thing stopped, like whenever my timer went off, it just puts it on keep low and lets it, you know, be warm for when you get home or whatever. And it's the cool, I mean, I paid, golly, probably $75 for that thing a couple years ago. No, last year actually. And they're like 50 something now. So I'll definitely link where to get this, because it's a really good deal. And I love this crock pot better than any one I have. Plus it seals, and I can literally lift that whole thing from that lid and it holds it tight now. So yeah, I love this crock pot. Super nice, elegant, and does what I need it to do without burning my house down or my food.